को और हिंद महासागर क्षेत्र में
हेलो
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good
We
evening,
were
sir.
discussing
Good evening, sir.
last problem we have been discussing.
Find C bar cross A bar minus B bar.
Little bit louder.
Find C bar cross A bar minus B bar.
Find
C bar cross A bar minus B bar.
louder, man. Find
C bar cross A bar minus B bar.
If A bar is I cap plus J cap, B bar is K cap minus I cap, C bar is A bar plus B bar. Find C bar cross A bar minus B bar.
C bar cross A bar minus B bar. I don't know, you know.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know that A bar cross B bar mod A mod B sin theta. What is this n cap?
Direction.
Unit vector along A bar cross B bar.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello? See, for example, recollect it. This is A bar and this is B bar. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Got that?
And in fact, this is the magnitude, this is the direction, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Now we need n cap, no? Then what is n cap? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Theta is not there, no? First we'll find a vector. What is A bar cross B bar? You find out. A bar B bar. Find out this. Certainly. Got this? See?
Yes, sir.
Got, sir.
What? Shall I turn this?
Sir, I'm getting minus 3j.
Sir,
Turn, no?
minus 3J
Minus
I'm getting,
3j.
sir.
Minus 3j should be. It will be plus j minus 4j.
This is correct, no?
Yes, sir.
So you have
Correct, sir.
A bar cross B bar is now we need this is do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
Sir, divided by 9, sir. Minus 6i minus 6i minus 3j plus 6k divided by 9.
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See how much you're getting.
Of 81, sir. 9.
9, sir.
You got this? See? Got this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
What, sir?
Got, sir.
Done, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Finished.
Completed?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Now see, actually many times area should be represented as a vector. Means physics problems or the concepts of science can be developed by assuming that area is a vector. Means we'll assign direction to an area. The area is regarded as a vector. Okay. Say for example, you are having a circle. Okay, then we'll give this area of a circle. We'll take a bar equals pi r square into n cap. Here you can see area I am writing as, that means magnitude of this is pi r square. Okay, direction of area hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell me? Hmm. Okay, 6:30 I will start. Okay. I will call you at 6:30. Okay. I'm in another class. I'll call you at 6:30. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose, please see. This is A bar. This is B bar. This is theta. Now complete this parallel. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Follow carefully. Area of triangle PQS is a half base into this height or not? Any doubt is there?
No,
Hello?
no, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Clear or not?
Sir, one.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
One sec. No, I'll draw the again. 1 second. Don't get worried.
Okay,
This
sir.
A bar is one vector, man. This is B bar. Okay, I'm completing this parallelogram. What I'm saying is, this is see. If you observe this, what is sine theta? Opposite by SPS. This is nothing but mod B. So H is what? Do you agree with this? No. Is it clear? Hello.
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, that base can't be PQ, right? It is just
PQ
PQ
can't be
minus
paired. Base cannot be PQ for triangle PSQ.
No, sir. It is a right angle triangle, right? So, okay, you are
Wait.
taking the whole triangle. Okay, sir.
Pardon?
No, sir. I thought that was a right angle triangle. You are writing for right angle triangle.
No.
हाँ जी काय बोले पाऊस का से बुलाइए छिनाल
अम्मी बोला ना अम्मी मैं कहीं पे उसको
Nasir Shahid.
See here. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now this whole, shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Hello?
Done, sir.
Finish, sir.
Return this.
Sir. Yes, sir.
This gives what? Magnitude, no?
Yes, sir.
This gives what? Direction. Do you agree with this?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, you have seen that do you agree with this or not?
Sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir, understood, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Clearly understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Done, sir. Complete.
You finished the all the assignments, man. Hmm? You're unable to do?
Able to do, sir. Some able to do, some not able to do, but still trying.
Thanks, sir.
No, man. When you'll complete, you tell that by this Sunday, can you complete all that?
Completed mine.
Which one? ASC you completed, huh? Hmm? Hello? Followed this?
Followed, sir.
A cross
Find A bar cross B bar.
$33 K cap.
Hmm?
K cap.
How much you're getting?
33 K cap.
What date?
Yes, sir. 33.
Clear? Understood that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Done, sir.
Finished this?
1 minute, sir.
Finished, sir.
1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Are you able to do this? Can you find it or not?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
Plus 6 plus 5j, right? Plus 5j, right? sir?
Huh?
Plus 5j equal to
Root 195. Done, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
yes, sir. Completed.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See here, suppose A bar is one vector, B bar is another vector. Now complete this parallelogram. Agreed? Now you can see if one diagonal is this, then this is C. This is B bar, no? By triangle law, what is this D1 bar or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now you can
Yes, sir.
see, suppose is the other diagonal. Now this is, I'll draw list like this. What is this actually? Minus B bar, no? Now you can see minus B bar plus A bar is D2 bar, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, minus A bar it should come, sir.
Correct, sir. A bar minus B bar it is.
I'm taking this now.
Yes, sir.
You want to take like this, A bar minus A bar plus B bar, that vector will be the same. Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we are having, we found that A bar plus B bar and A bar plus, we got A bar plus B bar as one vector and A bar minus B bar as the other vector. Now if you add them, you have,
2A bar is D1 bar plus D2 bar.
so you will get, now again if you subtract, so you will get for this. D1, D2 are known, no?
Yes, sir.
Find out this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is this value you'll get?
3k minus j plus 2k.
This one?
Can you please show the previous page?
Hello?
Please show the
Hello?
previous page.
What is the previous page? Tell what is the previous page? This one now. See?
Yes, not this one, sir.
Hmm?
Not this one, sir.
This one now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Minus I minus 3j by 2.
What is this actually you're getting?
Minus I minus 3j by 2. I minus 2j plus k minus 2i plus j plus k.
How much you're getting?
Minus I minus 3j by 2.
So A bar cross B bar you should do I, J, K. You got A bar cross B bar already now. A bar is this now. B bar is this. Can't you find out this? Can't you do this?
3 by 2 I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap minus.
How much you're getting?
3 I cap minus j cap 3 by 2 I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap minus 5 by 2 k cap.
Minus
5 by 2 k cap.
how much you're getting? See,
Put 37 by 2.
37, 35, no?
35 sir. 35 sir.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No doubt sir.
Shall I return this?
Yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. Wait, sir. Done, sir.
Done sir.
See, first of all, the vectors will form a triangle when, man?
Equilibrium.
Same plane.
Hypotenuse square इसको side.
The given vectors do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
By triangle of vectors you should have no Three vectors represent a triangle when it is possible. Now here you can see from the given set, what is B plus C? Check up like that. How I know is B plus C is 3i. 3i is there now. Check is it possible to have this? Yes. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us check. What is the A dot B? Find out. See how much you're getting. $14, no? Like that, find out B dot C.
C dot A 0.
Agreed.
Yes.
See, it is a right triangle, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, so 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
This Sunday you have complete vectors.
Okay, sir.
Now, how many assignments I have sent you now?
Ten.
No, the last post.
August you posted last 18th.
Remember this? In 11th August, then speed enhancement. So this is one assignment. In that, how many are completed? Hello. Or shall I stop giving the assignments? Something you want to do and get into IIT one way. Because if you do only can go further, no? See, I'm giving you 15 days, man, for every lesson. You're observing. This vector 15 days is over. If you want to check up. I don't want
Yes,
previous ones, that maths, physics and all. I don't require all that. That is only that hands-on experience, that's all. Units and timing, I don't require all this. From here, I don't know, your curriculum starts. You need all this. How many days you will take? I'm telling you, you leave maths today that you can do later. Of vectors. This is connected with that. Chemistry, the theory goes on forever. You tell how many days you will take. Without completing the Sunday, you write the exam. What is the fun in that mental? You come full marks you will get. You will not enjoy that. No, what I will get. That is one thing. No, sir, we won't do any assignment, we won't do any work. That is another one. Best.
Sir, in 1 week we'll complete all assignments, sir.
Okay. Anyhow, try to plan this. From now onwards, I'll be giving you 15 days for this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll send. This is 5th one, speed enhancement. This is a very practice assignment. Okay. For this,
Okay,
you
sir.
complete at least I'm giving one name. Next, I'll start the other chapter. For every chapter, remember, 15 days I'll give. You have to complete it. Then only you will be getting IIT. Otherwise, unnecessarily don't dream of anything. Understood this? The great
Yes,
heights
sir.
are achieved
Yes.
by people whom, when others are sleeping, when you do hard work only, you'll go up. I'll do equal work along with others, means you will get what is that you will be having an edge on others. This is a relativity, how far you are better than others. And all these are national assignments only, not, these are not so assignments prepared. Okay. AV is actually my class notes. If physical class are there, that is the notes I should give. Anyhow, try to complete. Okay, we shall meet tomorrow. Right? Any doubts are there in today's class?
Sir.
Perfect.
Those who missed that, at least note down this and download them from your friends and all. Okay? Right then. Take care. Go to your prayer. Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. 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 Bye.